Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Gainsty.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a service that will help you gain more followers on any platform. So for example, Instagram, YouTube subscribers, Facebook followers, and a lot more. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. But before we get into the details, I get hundreds of products to requests to check out daily. So a lot of you have been asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's do the review. So as you can see right here, these are followers that have been using Gainsty. The influencers have been using it. So as you can see, you can pull up your Instagram following to 100k, depending on how much you pay. So as you can see, upgrade, turbo, these are the plans that they offer. So if you're wondering if this is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see that they are rated 4.4 out of 5 stars here on Trustpilot. So let's see some reviews here. So they did an over delivery for us. We didn't request, but we are happy nonetheless. Hired them again. This person has continuous spam despite requesting them to remove. Okay, that's a bad image. Excellent service and warming up process for each account. At least the price is unbeatable. It's very cheap. Our account is steadily growing. We'll update later on. Start moving. Give them 4 stars for now. Was worth every penny. Was quite nervous about handing over Instagram login details, but blah, blah, blah. From IG to YouTube, Belgian followers. So this product seems to be very legit. A lot of people are saying good things about them. However, I'll advise caution against using this, since you will need to hand over your Instagram account or your account from to them, since they will need to log into your account. So do take note of that before getting into this process. So after that, aside that, they do seem pretty legit. So if you're fine with that, then might as well go ahead. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please consider liking and subscribing.